This is the first section of the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. Nigeria is taking on one of its biggest infrastructure projects ever, the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. We're talking about a 700-kilometer expressway that's supposed to connect Lagos all the way to Calabar, cutting through 7 coastal states. The route starts from Victoria Island in Lagos and weaves through Ondo, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, and Akwa Ibom before ending in Calabar Cross River State. Construction officially kicked off in March 2024. The first phase, 47.47 kilometers from Lagos, and by May 2025, 30 kilometers of that are already completed. It's costing 4 billion naira per kilometer. It's one of the most expensive highway projects in West Africa. So what makes this road worth that kind of money? Well, this isn't just about driving from point A to point B. This highway is a trade lifeline. It's set to connect remote coastal communities to bigger cities, cut travel times, and open up fresh opportunities for tourism and businesses. This isn't just Lagos to Calabar. It's about connecting entire regions, driving new businesses, and laying the groundwork for long-term growth. With over 2.8 trillion naira on the table, this might just be one of the most important infrastructure projects in the region. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the updates on Nigeria's transformation. Catch you next one.